Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and welcome back to hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, an open collab hosted by our friends Tree at Tree Craft On and Cathy at Cathy's Creative Crafts and More. So every Monday they welcome us to share whatever we're die cutting and receive some inspiration. So hopefully you will join us soon. I know that there's been a few people that have left comments that said, oh, I want to join you guys. So I hope you guys do, because this is a great way to get some inspiration and get some reminders. And I love the fact that everyone is using what's in their stash. I think that's really important for all of us, and it's a great reminder for me as well. I don't have a whole lot of Stampin' Dies. I love the idea. Whoever invented stamping and then die cuts with it is a genius because I'm getting better at fussy cutting. I'm not the best, and I'm enjoying it a lot more than I used to. But I do like the idea of having a stamp and then die cutting with it. And so last year I bought this little Gnomie from Pink and Maine. He's so cute. It's just the gnome, the flower, and then the sentiment is just, hey Gnomie. So I thought that was cute. So I did cut out some of those. And this daisy was part of a D-stash that I bought recently as well. So I really like that. There's many different pieces to it, but I just cut out. But for today I just did the big daisy that's in the center, and then maybe later on I'll do some of the sentiments. So for my hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday, I just wanted to share with you just two things that I did this weekend. And so here is the sunflower, and you can see the size. It's a pretty good size, which I really like. So you can definitely use it on lots of great projects. And I just went ahead and stamped it and cut it in white. So my idea is that I'm going to take them over to my table where I have my paints. I'm going to try using some watercolor paint, some pastel paint, and that's not going to be in today's video. I'll share that in a future video if it turns out well. And so, but I did want to share that with you. And then I cut out a whole bunch of these fun little gnomies. Look at him. He's just holding a little flower. So I think that whatever color I decide to color him, he could, have a red hat for Valentine's or a green hat for St. Patrick's or whatever. So I think he's a pretty versatile little Gnomie. So I like that idea. So that's it. You guys have any other hints, tips, or suggestions for me? Then I would love to hear them. Also this weekend, I went ahead and just stamped a whole bunch of other butterflies and some other little happy birthday sentiments. I think there's some ice cream cones back there too. So none of these right here though I have dies for, but that's okay. Kim will be doing some fussy cutting. All right, guys. Thank you to Cathy and thank you to Tree for hosting this awesome collab every Monday to get us inspired and motivated to use all of our crafty goodies. And guys, have a great Monday, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.